I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Okay, well, we finally left Alabaster Bay. I think we were here 4, maybe 5 days. Does anybody remember? But we loved it, and so we didn't move. We just explored Eleuthera by car. And now we're headed up to the glass window to anchor. Since we got a late start, we're going to try to get through Current Cut tomorrow, and then make it to the berries. Maybe hang out there a day or two, but we're trying to get to the Keys, and that's our purpose. So I know we were going to go down to Grenada, but our late start this year kind of kept us from doing it, so we're just going to get back to the US, make some alterations to the boat that we've discovered that we needed, and then head back down next November.
Our journey out of Eleuthera had us stopping just south of the Glass Bridge for one night, and then trying to make it to the berries. We actually decided that we would cut the trip in half and stop at Rose Island just off of Nassau. It's a nice place to stop for a night, but if the wave set's coming from the wrong direction, it's exceptionally rolling. Let's see if Jenny is prepared for the trip back. Oh yes, case of pink sands. Well, we're motor sailing today. Again, there ain't much wind. Well, it's coming from behind us at 4 knots, so it's not very good. But we just passed Hatchet Bay and we're going to the Glass Bridge. Here's Wyatt. We're underway to the Glass Bridge, but he doesn't care about that because all he really cares about is not fishing, but doing his math homework. He loves it. But on the bright side, he's almost finished with learning everything that we need to cover this year in math. He is so close to being done. He might be done 2 weeks early with math.
The pink pencil rocks.
As we headed north along the Eleuthera coast, we had a pod of dolphins that we attempted to film and had no luck whatsoever.
Looks like he swam in your direction.
But while we were doing it, we got a fish on. What you got?
Mackerel.
Wyatt's got a mackerel.
Fish in. It looks small. What kind of fish is it? Over.
Can you get him up? You need help?
Spanish.
He says it's a Spanish mackerel. Yep, that's a Spanish mackerel. Pull him up a little
Get my
further.
tether off. Get my tether off right now.
Hold on. I'm trying to get his picture, buddy. Here. Wyatt's caught a Spanish mackerel.
Tommy Ann, no.
As we were coming into our anchorage, this beauty was sailing out. All right, here's Tabby on her last, it's our last day on Eleuthera. And tomorrow we're headed towards the berries. We might have one more day here towards the edge of Current Island, but this might be it for us for 6 months. What do you think, Wyatt? You happy today? What happened good for you?
I caught a Spanish mackerel.
Yep, he sure did. It was a good size one. Alright, well, we're letting the dog do its business, let it run around, get some exercise. We're going to go back to the boat and we're going to cook something out of our stores, which will probably involve Spam.
Spam for dinner.
Maybe Spam Masubi. Alright, today's dinner is brought to you by Spam, or Pam, but Spam. And we're going to have Spam for dinner because the fishermen, in this case, did not let us down. But we've got a pineapple that we bought in Bluff, and they basically have pineapples here in Eleuthera. And we're going to cook some Spam with teriyaki and serve that with rice. Rice is currently getting after it. Here's the pineapple cut up. We're watching Wyatt get popped at the stove. He's doing the cooking. He's got the rice going. It's almost ready. And he's got the pineapple with the teriyaki sauce on the Spam. And soon we'll have delicious Spam and pineapple over rice. And here's the finished product plated up. Spam, because the fishermen did not let us down, and pineapple over rice. How is it, Wyatt? Spam for dinner. The next day we were up early and on the move and spent most of the day fishing, as well as dodging a few rainstorms.
Yeah.
Mackerel. Oh,
Oh, another Barracuda. Just like a Barracuda. Alright, let's set it off.
Oh, y'all. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Bailing us out.
You're gonna need the glove.
Go get what Daddy needs.
Got it. My first Mahi Mahi.
Eyes on deck.
We got them on deck. Well, we're headed towards Nassau, sort of. We're trying to get ultimately to the Berry Islands. Good news for us is that we just landed our first Mahi Mahi of the trip, and my first Mahi Mahi personally. And so now, I had to fillet it. And I'm going to tell you, I developed a great deal of respect for those people who are cruising and fillet fish on the back of a pitching boat, because it is a lot harder than it looks. I mean, the times I filleted fish at a counter with a cutting board in a house that wasn't moving, that was pretty easy. But doing this on my knees on a side deck where I could lose a slippery fish over the side instantly, it was not quite as easy. Anyway, we'll be having it for dinner. That storm is exactly where I want to go. And here it is. There's a big purple blob on the chart plotter. Finally got the radar kind of dialed in. So, yeah. It just so happens that that was the cut we wanted to go through too. It's just been parked over there for about an hour, not moving. So we're going to a new one. We're headed to Rose Island, which is pretty close to Nassau. And I think it's right next to New Providence, and on the end where the city of Nassau is. So that's where we're headed. Hopefully there won't be as much wind
because I'm trying to block it with the bimini. But we're gonna stay there tonight, and then I think we're gonna head to the berries in the morning. Maybe we'll spend a couple of days in the berries, or maybe we'll just overnight